Asari once more, and we are in the city center of Beijing. This is SANLITUN, the heart of foreigners, the heart of the most expensive restaurants, shopping centers, hotels, nightclubs, and all the exotic places that you need to have fun, to enjoy yourself, to live a life of comfort. So today I'm here to explore with you. So get ready, be with me, and let's enjoy the city, the light, Asari TV. This is SANLITUN, obviously the most affluent neighborhood in the capital of China, Beijing to be precise. This area is famous for the location of the various missions and embassies of other countries over here. It is also famous for its expensive restaurants, fashion centers, nightclub, stores, and of course, automobile assembling companies. We are at the manufacturing center of Bentley. Don't be surprised to know that this beautiful city of Beijing is also the home to the assembling and manufacturing of many luxurious vehicles such as Benz, Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Rolls-Royce. What's up, man? That's what's up! Beijing might be more famous for its beauty and great people than its restaurant, but I'm sure you don't want to stroll the city on an empty stomach all day. Why don't you grab a bite at one of these amazing restaurants in this city? On any day, you are welcome to dine at any of these amazing local and international restaurants sited across this city to satisfy your taste for a good meal. For clothing and fashion, Beijing is always the right place to explore all the top fashion brands across the world. This city is full of shopping malls featuring all the luxury clothing brands, but the city also has a buzzing fashion industry stocked by bundling young designers from China and across the world. Welcome to the biggest Apple shop in Beijing, right here in SANLITUN. I want to go explore and see if I could get myself an item. Here I go. All too soon, this trip has come to an end. I'm sure you enjoy the beautiful places in Beijing, the hotels, the cars, the restaurants, and all the attractive places that you saw. Well, keep glued to Kemasari TV, and I'm going to show you more of these beautiful videos in the next episode. See ya!